11 based Google Pixel 8 hidden features. First, AI wallpaper. Tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap on a wallpaper and style. Tap on a more wallpapers. Here you can see AI wallpaper option. Tap on it. Now you can see default available theme. Select the theme you want to create or customize AI wallpaper. Here we select painting. Here tap on a Inspire Me button at the bottom to automatically create a wallpaper by AI. Here wait until create the wallpaper. You can see 3 or 4 different wallpapers created by AI. Now you can see swipe right to see another wallpaper created by AI. If you want to customize it your own setting, tap on a dots of the icon, choose a option. Here we select a tropical island, select other option, spaceship, or select another option, classist. Now tap on a create wallpaper. Now it will create a wallpaper using your setting on your device. Wait until automatically created AI wallpaper. Now you can see created AI wallpaper. It is quite amazing. To set wallpaper, tap on a top right arrow. Here you can see how it looks on home screen or lock screen. Tap on a set wallpaper at top right. Choose home screen, lock screen, home and lock screen. Here we select home screen. Now go to home and you can see the set AI wallpaper. Second, magic editor. To use magic editor, open Google Photo app and select any photo. Here we select this photo. Tap on edit at the bottom. Now at the bottom left corner you can see magic editor button. Tap on it. To use photo as a magic editor, make sure backup it. To tap on a backup. Now you can see backup my photo. After backup you can use magic editor. Now you can see tap circle or brush to remove object or change the object. Here we select this. Now tap and hold it to move another place. Tap and hold. And here you can see move. Here we move these to either. Now drag to move or pinch to resize. You can also increase or decrease the size of object like this. Here we increase the size. Tap the bottom right corner arrow. Now it will automatically generate another wallpaper. Now wait until create another wallpaper. Now swipe right and you can see the wallpaper different created by AI. So it's quite useful feature to move the object or remove object. Tap on a bottom right corner. Now tap on a save copy to save photo to your gallery. Now third, audio magic eraser. Using audio magic eraser you can remove obstacle voice from your device. To use it, open any video on your device. Here we open this video. You can listen the sound or remove unwanted sound. Tap on edit icon at the bottom right. Tap on audio tab. Here you can see audio eraser. Tap on it. Now it immediately identifies the sounds and automatically remove the unwanted or unnecessary sound. Tap on a noise, speech and nature option. Here you can see. Tap on a done. Tap on auto. Now it will automatically remove the distraction noise from your video. After complete, now you tap. Now you can see the live how it remove the undistracted voice from your video. When complete the process, tap on a save copy at the bottom right. Now wait until complete the process. Now we can see it remove the unwanted noise from your background. So quite useful feature. In fourth, you can use quick tap gesture. To use it, go to settings, scroll down up to system, tap on a system, tap on the gestures. Here you can see quick tap to start action, tap on it. Make sure to go on use quick tap option. Using this, you can take a screenshot, access your Google Assistant, play or push media, see recent apps, show notification, Google flashlight on off, or quickly access any app. Tap on a setting gear icon and select the app you want to access. Here we select Chrome. Now go back and double tap on the back of your pixel device to quickly access Google Chrome or any other app you access on your device. It's quite useful feature. Select the option to take a screenshot. Select take screenshot. Now double tap on the back of your phone to take a screenshot. So quite useful gesture to quickly access function to back tap your Google Pixel device. 5. Unlock apps with face unlock. To use it, go to settings, scroll down up to security and privacy, tap on a device unlock. Here you can see fingerprint and face unlock option, tap on it, unlock your device. Here make sure to go on verify it's you in apps option. Make sure to go on this option to unlock your app using face unlock on your device. Also tap on a face unlock. Make sure enable all these options require eye to open, always require confirmation or skip lock screen option. Now 6. Now playing. Go to settings, scroll down, tap on a sound and vibration. Scroll down. Here you can see now playing option. Toggle on the identify song playing nearby. It will helpful to identify the song playing nearby you. You can also toggle on the show search button on lock screen. So when any song playing nearby you, you can see the song name or artist name on the lock screen on your device. So quite useful feature to identify song. You can also check now playing history here. Also delete the history. So it's quite useful feature to identify the song. 7. Base tech. You can use Google Picture Base tech feature to change the face expression. Open Google Photo app. Select any photo you want to use base tech. Here we select. Now tap on edit at the bottom. Now swipe screen. In tools you can see the base tech option. Tap on a base tech. Now it will find similar shot to improve the face. Wait until create a face. Now you can see the available different face. Select any face and change the face expression you want to set in a video like this. So quite useful feature. After complete the process, tap on a done at the bottom right. Tap on a save copy at the bottom right to save edited photo. In 8, focus mode. Go to settings, scroll down up to digital well-being and parental controls. Tap on it. Here you can see focus mode option. Tap on it. Focus mode is useful if any app distracting you. To just select the app they are disturbing. Here we select to. Now you can see add this app. You can also set a schedule. Tap on a turn on now option. Now you can see the focus mode is on. Message on your notification panel. So quite useful feature if any app are distracting to your work. 9. Battery share. Go to settings. Tap on a battery. Here you can see battery share option. Make sure to toggle on use battery share. This feature is helpful to use your Pixel as a wireless charger. You can charge your device or other device by placing them on the back of your Pixel device. Also set a schedule when you stop sharing your battery, where your phone reach 10%, 15%. Select the option you want to set. So quite useful feature to charge other device using your Google Pixel phone. In 10th, silence notification while driving. To use it, go to settings, scroll down up to safety and emergency. At the bottom end, you can see silence notification while driving. Tap on it. Make sure to toggle on it. It will helpful to interruption while when you phone call or text message on your device. It will automatically turn on the DND mode when you are driving. So quite useful feature while driving car. And the last 11th, Easter egg. To access a Android 14 Easter egg, go to settings, scroll down up to and tap on about phone. Again scroll down. Here you can see Android version. Tap on it. Now tap on an Android version. Double tap Android version. Now you can see Android 14 logo. Tap and hold it. Now you can see vibrate screen like this, and you can see the game Android 14 version Easter egg. So quite useful. To exit, go back. That's it.